Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see the second part of important questions with answers. Most of the questions are from previous year's board papers. We are basically going to do the 2 markers. The lesson is the last lesson written by Alphonse Daudet. If you are a student of class 12, then please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so earlier, because this video and the others are going to be very useful for you. Here basically I have given you the link. The first is the quick revision, that is you can do the entire lesson in points in just 2 minutes. And the second one is the part 1 of the important questions. If you know, I have done part 1, which basically dealt with the 1 markers, the MCQs and the 5 marker questions. Today here we are going to do the 2 mark questions and the RTCs. I have given you the main points. You may change it a little, but the main points have to be there if you want to get full marks in your questions. Let us start with the 2 mark questions. What was the news in the bulletin board that caused a change in the school? The news that was on the bulletin board was that Germany had taken over the districts of Alsace and Lorraine. The order from Berlin stated that only German would be taught there in school, and hence that day would be the last day when French would be taught to the children of these districts. This was the big change that was caused in school by the order. Question number 2. How did M. Hamel show his love for French? This I have given you in points so that you can remember. M. Hamel wore his best clothes as a mark of respect and love for French and France. He spoke highly of French. He gave the students copies with France Alsace written on them. He instilled a feeling of patriotism in the children and villagers. He told them French will keep them united and also liberate them. 3. Whom did M. Hamel blame for the students not knowing French? This has come quite often in the examination. He blamed the parents for sending the children to work in the fields instead of sending them to school to study. Second, he blamed himself for giving them a holiday when he wanted to go fishing, or asking them to water the plants instead of teaching them. Third, he blamed the people of Alsace for putting off all their work for tomorrow, and it had become too late now to learn French. Question number 4. Who occupied the last benches of the classroom on the day of the last lesson? Why? The villagers had occupied the last benches of the class. Old Hauser, the postmaster, the former mayor were all present to learn French from M. Hamel for the last time. It was their way of honoring the teacher and showing their love for French and France. 5. What was unusual about M. Hamel's dress on the last day? To show his love and respect for French, M. Hamel was dressed in his finest clothes on the last day. He wore his beautiful green coat and frilled shirt and the little black silk cap, all embroidered, that he never wore except on inspection and prize days. So he wanted this day to be memorable. 6. How is the class on normal days? On normal days, there was a great deal of noise which could be heard in the street. The opening and closing of desks, lessons repeated in unison by students, loudly with hands over their ears to understand better, and the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. 7. What were the temptations that made Franz want to miss class on that day? It was so warm, so bright. The birds were chirping in the woods, and at the back of the sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. All this was enough to make Franz miss his school, but with great resistance, he attended school that day. This is the RTC of 2 marks. I never saw him so tall. Explain. Actually, this Franz felt for his teacher at the end of the lesson. M. Hamel was Franz's French teacher who was forced to leave Alsace as German was to be taught from the next day. The teacher had taught there for 40 years and on that day taught with great devotion. This made Franz look up to his teacher and admire him. This line is symbolic of the fact that M. Hamel was a good teacher and Franz looked up to him with great respect. Now we are going to deal with the RTC. Sometimes it comes as a multiple choice 1 marker or it can also come as 2 marks. First, we've all got a lot to reproach ourselves with, said M. Hamel. Franz could not recite the participles. The others too hardly knew French and it was their last lesson already. M. Hamel felt that all of them were to blame for this situation. The students, the parents and M. Hamel himself were responsible for the sad condition of not knowing French. I have also elongated it and given it this same question as a 2 marker earlier. 2. What a thunderclap these words were to me. This was taught by Franz. Germany had taken over Alsace and M. Hamel, the French teacher, told them it was their last French lesson. Franz was shocked to hear this because he knew nothing of French. He was filled with shock, regret and remorse at not learning French earlier. 3. Will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? This also was taught by Franz. There was an order from Berlin stating that only German should be taught in schools. Franz felt helpless that he was being forced to learn German. As he was writing, he heard some pigeons cooing. His frustration and helplessness was so intense that he wondered if Germans could even force the pigeons to coo differently. Children, with this we come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.